So we're in Strasbourg now, city in France on the edge of a border with Germany, the other side of a Rhine to the border with Germany. And we're just going to take some photos around the historical centre of the city. It's a very nice city. I know it's very nice at Christmas time with Christmas market and stuff. We're here in August, so it's sunny and it's like 30 degrees, really hot. You got the Rhine River over there. I'm going to take some photos of that with the castle-looking bridges over it. And obviously I'll show you the photos when they're done in the video. And yeah, shoot some cinematic video as well, maybe produce a short travel film. Centre of Strasbourg now. It's very busy and very hot. You've got like these nice canals, these rivers, boats going up and down. We might do a boat tour. I've seen a few boats you may have seen just on the B-roll just now. You can go on up and down the river. We might do something like that. We're getting lots of nice photos with like these flowers that are focused in the foreground and the buildings in the background, which looks really good. You may or may not have seen yet. Yeah. It's a pretty French town. If anyone's interested in prices here, well, I just bought a magnet for €2.50 and it's 5 to 10 euros, so not too expensive, not the cheapest place in the world, about average European kind of prices in euros. Yeah, average French prices really. Really pretty though. Yeah, it's a pretty place with the architecture itself in general, but as I mentioned earlier, I love just getting these flowers out of focus in every photo I take. It just add something extra. I probably need to stop doing it because every single photo is just going to look the same. All these buildings are built on top of the water and it just flows underneath them all. And the one's on there as well. And it's so cool, like, it's as if the river isn't there and then you go to the other side of the buildings and it's just there again, just flowing underneath them.